What's going on, guys? Panda here with a little RC unboxing for you guys. I know I haven't done one in a while. Just been kind of hectic with everything, getting ready to move back home to Colorado and everything. In the meantime, we did get another RC that I didn't do an unboxing for, which I'm sorry, which is for this. I did an unboxing, but then my phone said I didn't have any more memory, so I can't do one anymore. But this is what I got. It's the Redcat Racing Volcano 18, little 1/18 scale, brush electric, ready to run. Comes with a LiPo battery, waterproof electronics, ready to run, 2.4 gigahertz radio system, brush motor, 4-wheel drive, 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. Pretty sweet little thing. You can get these at Best Buy, believe it or not. Well, I got it from my Best Buy. Got the blue one because I got a red truck. Well, I got a red truck already. I don't have anything blue, so I got something different. I went ahead and already cut the seals on it, so we'll go ahead and pop this little sucker open. So first thing we see is the truck. Here it is, little tiny little thing. So size comparison to my hand. This tiny little thing. Pull this out. The whole thing comes out with it. Pretty sweet looking, I'd say. Not too shabby. Go ahead, open this side. Box. See what's in the box. Alright, so inside the box it looks like we have charger for the battery and the remote. Like I said, it's 2.4 gigahertz, so pretty big for everyone. Here it is. Little one's crying. Mom took away some stuff. There she goes. Out the door. And she's gone. So there's a remote. Really basic remote. Not all high speed like we're usually used to. Yeah, little one crying like always. It's the manual for it. User manual. Woohoo! Looks like it comes with just a little antenna. No extra parts, no tools, no nothing. But that's the one thing I've learned about Redcat, is that's kind of the thing. I guess this thing's attached to the box. Probably zip ties or something. Let's go ahead, pull these off. See what we got underneath it. There we go. Alright, so there it is. A little battery. Here's your 7.4 800 mAh battery. So pretty base battery. Here's the truck. So you got battery tied down. There's a little antenna plug. There's a lower motor. That thing's probably about as big as my finger, more like my thumb, really. Micro servo, your ESC. And that's about it. 4-wheel drive. Suspension looks decent. Oh, seems decent. So, but alright, guys. Well, there's the boxing for the Redcat Racing Volcano 1/18 size truck. Pretty cool little thing. I'll get a running video of it soon. I'm gonna get this battery charged. I'm gonna make sure the battery's fully charged and everything. Don't want to ruin the battery or anything. So, but awesome, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I'll definitely make sure I get a running video of this little sucker here soon. Thanks, guys.